Think you can experience Italy's most beautiful places in just 1 week? Let's take on the challenge together. In this video, we'll explore Italy's must-see destinations for 2024. From stunning landscapes to charming towns, Italy is packed with beauty that will leave you speechless. It's a country rich in history, art, and culture, with incredible food to match. Whether you're into ancient ruins, beautiful coastlines, or mouth-watering pasta, Italy has something for everyone. You've probably heard of places like Rome, Florence, and Venice. They're amazing, no doubt. But what if I told you there are hidden gems across Italy that deserve just as much attention? In this video, I'll guide you through some of Italy's lesser-known, yet equally stunning locations. Let's start with Rome, Italy's bustling capital. Rome is a living museum with its ancient ruins, magnificent architecture, and timeless art. There's the Colosseum, where gladiators once fought. The Vatican, with its iconic St. Peter's Basilica. And don't forget the stunning Trevi Fountain. Make a wish and toss in a coin. But here's a tip. Beyond these famous spots, explore the quieter streets of Trastevere. This neighborhood feels more local, filled with charming cafes and hidden gems that give you a taste of authentic Roman life. Next, let's escape the big city for the beautiful countryside of Tuscany. Siena is a gem that takes you back in time with its medieval architecture and beautiful Piazza del Campo. Wander through narrow streets, grab some gelato, and soak up those incredible views of rolling hills in the distance. While Florence is Tuscany's star, Siena offers a more intimate look at the region's charm. Plus, the views of the Tuscan countryside are unbeatable. Ready to head to the coast? Cinque Terre is a cluster of 5 colorful villages perched along the cliffs of the Ligurian coastline. You can hike between the towns, take a scenic train ride, or just relax by the crystal clear waters. It's the perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. Each town has its own vibe, but one thing they all have in common is fresh seafood. Imagine eating a plate of seafood pasta while overlooking the Mediterranean. Pure bliss. Let's switch things up with a trip to the Dolomites in northern Italy. If you love the outdoors, this is paradise. Snow-capped peaks, alpine meadows, and crystal clear lakes. The Dolomites are stunning year-round. You can hike, ski, or just take in the breathtaking views. And if you're a fan of scenic drives, the Great Dolomite Road is one of the most spectacular routes in the world. You'll want to stop every few minutes for a photo, trust me. No trip to Italy is complete without visiting the Amalfi Coast. Think winding roads, colorful cliffside towns, and turquoise waters. Positano is the crown jewel, with its pastel houses and steep streets leading down to the beach. Don't forget to visit Capri, an island off the coast known for its luxury and natural beauty. Whether you're hiking to the top of Monte Solaro or taking a boat tour to the Blue Grotto, Capri will leave you in awe. Looking for some peace and quiet? Lake Como is your spot. Surrounded by mountains and dotted with charming villas, it's one of Italy's most beautiful and relaxing destinations. Take a boat ride across the lake, visit the lakeside villages, or simply enjoy the serene views. If you want a touch of luxury, you can even stay in one of the famous lakeside villas. Now, back to Tuscany, but this time for the food and wine. Tuscany is famous for its vineyards and olive groves. Whether you're sipping wine in Chianti or exploring the charming town of San Gimignano, Tuscany will steal your heart. Picture this. You're sitting at a rustic restaurant, surrounded by rolling hills, enjoying homemade pasta and a glass of local wine. It doesn't get better than that. Last but definitely not least, let's head to Venice. Known for its canals, gondolas, and stunning St. Mark's Square, Venice is a city like no other. You can get lost in its narrow streets, cross the iconic Rialto Bridge, or simply take in the beauty from the water. Venice is one of those places that feels like a dream. Sure, it's busy, but there's magic in every corner. especially if you explore some of the quieter parts of the city. As you plan your trip, remember to balance big cities with smaller towns and nature escapes. Italy's diversity means you can have completely different experiences just a few hours apart. And don't be afraid to get off the beaten path. Some of the best moments in Italy come from stumbling upon a hidden piazza or finding that perfect little cafe in a tiny village. Italy isn't just about places, it's about the people, food, and culture. From creamy risottos to fresh pizzas, every region has its own specialties. In Rome, try carbonara. In Naples, it's all about the pizza. And in Tuscany, don't miss the bistecca alla Fiorentina or Florentine steak. Italians are incredibly proud of their food and wine, and they love sharing it with visitors. Whether you're dining in a Michelin-starred restaurant or a cozy trattoria, you're in for a treat. To sum it up, Italy is a country that has it all: history, culture, stunning landscapes, and, of course, amazing food. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the rolling hills of Tuscany, the cliffside towns of the Amalfi Coast to the peaceful lakes of Lombardy, there's so much to see. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, I hope this video has inspired you to discover more of Italy in 2024. It's a country that will capture your heart and leave you wanting more. Thanks for joining me on this Italian adventure. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips. And don't forget to share your favorite Italian destination in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. See you in the next video. Maybe we'll dive into some of Italy's hidden gems that you won't want to miss. Until then, ciao.